doing the back side first, and this surface that's in the middle matches up with the surface on this jig. So now, just flip this over, line this up, and then we mill it from this side.
That's how you get a little ring of it. Next. And there we have the next one. And I'm left with this. This has served its purpose. It's just garbage now.
That's it. A project has finished. I've done 12 of these circles that are not circles. Hardest thing I've ever done. Now it's going to be easy.